This is a 1984 diesel Ford truck that has been up in the Santa Cruz Mountains for 20 years, 30 years. This truck has been sitting for a long time, and every so often I try and start this with my friend Howard. So right now the truck is plugged into AC, trying to get the block heater. It's about probably 55 degrees, 60 degrees up here. It's not that cold. So with this truck, I have a rock on the throttle to give this guy some throttle, because I think there's air in the system. I have the injection pump hot wired to the battery. So with this truck, it's been plugged in for about 40 minutes now. It's good to get a screwdriver out and start the truck. There's the screwdriver. This truck sits up here for months. So the battery is never connected. It would drain down, so we'll connect the battery up. I should tighten that thing on there tight, but just to start it, it's okay. So these trucks used to have an automatic glow plug system. Here's the glow plug relay right here. And there's the starter relay. The starter itself has a big relay in it, so this relay is overkill. You can just cross these two and this thing will start up. There's the glow plugs. So if this thing starts up, I gotta shut it down fast because it's got a rock in the throttle there. See the rock? And I don't want to get my hand in here, or do I? I guess I could get my hand in there when it starts up, if it starts up. Here's how you bleed the truck. So this fuel filter, when it's full of fuel, you can bleed fuel out of here. If I had a wrench, I would crack the injector open to get some air out, but no wrench up here, so that's how it goes. Okay, well, little blue wire's on, so the injection pump is open. Truck is plugged into AC for about an hour. The radiator doesn't feel cold, doesn't feel hot. I bet the block is warm now, which might help, might not. This thing has not started probably since November of 2016, and now it's April of 2017. Anyway, put in glow plugs last year for Howard, so I'm going to hit these glow plugs with about 6 seconds of power. So we'll do that right now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Start it up. Let's hit it and see what happens. Nothing at all. So I'm pretty sure this truck is just not getting fuel. For whatever reason. You don't want to burn the starter up by cranking it too much. Howard was talking about a fuel selector switch in this truck. That's up here. Let's see. Tank 1, tank 2 switch. Is there a tank 1, tank 2 switch on this thing? He's got a trailer switch there of some sort. Overdrive. There's supposedly like a tank switch to go from tank 1 to tank 2. I don't see it. Wherever he has a switch, I don't see it anywhere. He said it was on the dashboard because 2 tanks in this truck was a factory option. He's got some mysterious switches. Oh well. This battery in this truck's been sitting for like 5 months. It's a brand new battery. It says 416 on it. When it was new, this battery's been sitting here for a long time, and it's pretty amazing that it hasn't gone dead. Well, let's try and glow plug it again. Maybe that'll work. Here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Hit the starter. It's getting a little bit of fuel, but doesn't seem too promising, people. You don't want to hit the starter how it says too hard in this thing. You'll burn up the starter, so I don't think it's going to go. Let's glow plug it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's hit it. Seems like one cylinder's getting fuel, you know? Anyway, the starter in this thing is really sensitive, so I don't want to keep cranking this thing. It's probably not going to go anyway. It's probably got an air leak somewhere. So, probably got to crack the injection lines and get it going. Let's see. Maybe I'll try it once more. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit it. All right, that's enough. Disconnect the battery. That cable's getting warm. Put the battery charger on, and when Howard gets here, Howard can deal with it or not. I guess there's no great reason to start the truck, but it's good to keep it in running condition. Kind of fun sometimes. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Again, this is Howard's Big Red Truck. Have a good day.